Alright, so this is picoworkers.com. Alright, an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. Okay, so what this is an online platform where you can do micro jobs to earn some passive income. And also, if you are a business owner looking for some help to create traffic to your website, this is the best place for you. Okay, they have very beautiful website here. This is their homepage. Okay, so I will take you through step by step how to sign up and start doing tasks or posting jobs. Right, so let's sign up. Okay, so over here, make sure you use your real information, especially your email address and your country. Okay, no VPN is allowed. You don't have to use VPN. So use your real country. Take the jobs that are available on your continent. So you have to use your real information, especially your email and then your country. If you want to request for payments, they will send you the token, confirmation token to your email address. So you have to use your real email address or else you won't be able to withdraw. Okay, so alright, I want to be a worker or an employer. Employer is where you post the job for people to do for you, like marketing test, YouTube subscription test, and all that stuff. Alright, so let's sign in. Okay, I'll leave the link in my video description if you're interested. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. I'm a little advanced. I'm a level 9 expert. Okay, level 9 expert. So this is how the jobs are done. 2,311 jobs, 2,246 satisfied. Not satisfied is 37. Now I've earned $115. That's not that bad. Okay. Alright, so these are the jobs available. You can choose to categorize it. Telegram jobs, Discord, video marketing, okay, Twitter, Facebook, promotion. Okay, so there are many jobs you can start doing, and the payment is not that much. 7 cents and 4 cents, 10 cents. Okay, only a few jobs pay $1 or half a dollar. Alright, so let me check that one and see. Okay, this one is paying $1 to sign up to Coin Smart. Okay, so before you start, make sure you read the instructions very well and then submit the proof that you did the task. Alright, so that's how it's done. I want to do one task to demonstrate how it's done. Let me see if I can find one job. Okay, let me do this one. So this one's asking me to you can hold a job if you think you don't have enough time or the count is about to run down. Okay, this is 656 out of 3,700 people have done the job, so you have enough time to finish the task. Okay, so let's go to this website or this link. There are two simple tasks completed: the task and submit your TRS address done. Okay, so it's telling me to complete two simple tasks. Okay, so let's do the Twitter and then TRX. Okay, so let's do the two tasks the employer wants us to perform. Okay, follow. Okay, then click on continue. Then submit your TRC address. Okay, let me go to TRC scan. TRC scan and then copy any address. I don't have time to go to my wallet and copy the address, so let me use any wallet address. Okay, these are the transactions ongoing. So let me copy the address. Okay, copy this one and then paste it. Okay, so we've done our two tasks the employer wants us to perform. Okay, the funds allocated to this tax is 5 cents. Alright, so this takes time, a lot of time, to even achieve the minimum withdrawal, which is $5. Okay, so it's telling us to screenshot of the tax completed. Okay, so we've done the tax, so let's screenshot and send it to him. Okay, pictures, screenshots. As you can see, I've already done some tax this morning, so this is our screenshot we took. Then click on submit proof. Okay, now it has been submitted. If you go to Twitter, okay, so this is the employer's job, or what the employer wants us to do. Okay, this is what the employer wants us to do. So you do it and then submit your proof, follow the instructions and then submit your proof. It's very simple. Okay, so I'll leave the link in my video description. So if I hit the $5 mark, I will submit my withdrawal, or how to withdraw. Okay, I'll submit the withdrawal tutorial and then we continue from there. Alright, so let's say you don't want to work, or you don't want to perform tax, but you want to post something for people to do for you. Okay, so this is employer, so I'm working as an employer. You can switch to worker. Okay, so I'm now an employer. At first I was a worker. Okay, so that's how it works. Then if you want to post jobs, you have to contact their customer care or their support. Okay, if you want to post job, is quite tricky. Okay, so you have to contact the support. Their support is very good. They respond almost immediately. Okay, so you create a new ticket. Okay, click on create new ticket, and then you want to enter whatever you want to tell them. Maybe you want to post a job but you don't know how to do it. They'll walk you through the process and then it will get you started. Okay, so I think that's it. I think that's all this video is about. Alright, so see you in the next one. Have a good day.
3 days later.
Okay, now we have a minimum withdrawal, which is $5. Okay, so you click on wallets, then click on request withdrawal. Then I always choose the Litecoin, which is the crypto. Crypto is the future of money,
And that's a fact.
Just to collect my payment in crypto. So select your wallet address or copy and paste from your exchange or your wallet. Okay, so I will choose my wallet address and click on send token. You have to wait for a few seconds for them to send me my confirmation token. So that's why I told you to use your real details when signing up. Okay, so you will send me the confirmation token. Now enter in the digits, then click on submit request. That's it. So let's wait for the confirmation token. Should be here any moment from now. Okay, 7, 2, 1. Okay, click on submit request. That's it. Your payment is being processed. It's on pending, alright, as you can see it. So you have to wait for a few hours for them to process the payment. Okay, so these are all the withdrawals I've made. Okay, so that's it. That's how to request for the withdrawal. See you in the next one.
1 eternity later.
Alright, so after several hours I finally got my payment. Okay, so this is a message from Binance saying my deposit of 0.04 okay has been made. Okay, so this is, let's check our Binance account and see if I've really received my payment. Okay, okay, so this is it. This is LTC Litecoin, which is 0.04. Okay, so it matches 0.04 LTC, which is Litecoin. Okay, so that's it. Now let me convert. You can, so after this you can decide to swap it for other tokens or sell it or whatever you want to do with it. Okay, for me I just want to swap it. Let me swap it for BNB, and then after that I will swap it for USDT and then sell it right away. Okay, go to liquid farming. And select swap. Okay, now let's search for Litecoin LTC. And then swap it for BNB. Okay, Litecoin for BNB. Okay, then click on max. So we are selling everything for BNB. Okay, then click on swap. Swap successful. Now let's convert all our BNB to USDT. Okay, click on this arrow, then change this one to USDT. Okay, and click on max. Okay, so we have 5.67 USDT in value. Okay, so click on swap. Then I think that's it. Now we are good to go. I'll sell it right away. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around throughout this whole video. See you in the next one. Have a good day.